Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest tech products. Today I'm going to review Motorola Edge Plus 2023 model. This is a flagship phone, and in this video I'm going to show you what this phone can do and why you should consider buying it at $799 US. So before starting this video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this phone from Amazon in discounted price. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my future tech reviews. So let's get started now. Let's talk about the design. The Motorola Edge Plus 2023 is an absolute stunner. It's sleek, it's modern, and it feels great in hand. The interstellar black color option adds a touch of elegance. Moving on to the display, we have got 6.7-inch OLED screen with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixel. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU coupled with 8GB of RAM and a whopping 512GB of storage. Multitasking, gaming and app launches are in a breeze, and you will have plenty of room of your app, photos and videos. Let's talk about the cameras. On the rear, we have got a versatile camera setup, a 50 megapixel main camera for stunning everyday shots, a 50 megapixel ultra wide for those epic landscapes, and 12 megapixel portrait camera that captures impressive depth and details. And don't forget the front camera, a whopping 16 megapixel sensor. Your selfies are going to look better than ever. Now battery life is crucial, and the Motorola Edge Plus 2023 doesn't disappoint. It packs 5100 mAh battery that easily lasts through a day of heavy use. Plus, when it's time to recharge, you have got a blazing fast 68-watt wired charging option, and if you prefer wireless, it supports 15-watt wireless charging. In terms of size, it's size 6.3 by 2.9 by 0.34 inches, making it comfortable to hold and use with one hand. To wrap it up, the Motorola Edge Plus 2023 offers a stellar combination of performance, camera capabilities, and an incredible display, and at the price of $799 it's a fantastic value for everyone it brings to the table. If you are looking for a smartphone that can handle your daily tasks, gaming and photography needs without breaking the bank, the Motorola Edge Plus 2023 is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in comments below, and of course don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.